Very slowly. I know that feeling. You've been studying English for 3, 4, maybe even 5 years. You know grammar by heart. You've memorized thousands of words. But every time you open your mouth to speak, your brain freezes, your tongue gets stuck, and what comes out sounds terrible. Do you feel like you're mute when you have to speak English? You know what you want to say, but you just can't express it. That's exactly why we need this shadowing method. No more theory, just training your speaking reflexes. Here's what I want you to do. Give me 30 days, 30 topics about your real life. Before you try to learn advanced stuff, make sure you can confidently talk about what happens around you first. Sounds simple, right? But when you're actually in that situation, you freeze up. You keep translating from your native language. You keep searching for vocabulary. You panic. Let me tell you a secret. All that vocabulary and grammar you've memorized, it doesn't help you speak naturally. You know why? Because native speakers don't use fancy words. We use simple words in phrases that you don't understand. That's what we're going to fix through my conversations, through everyday native expressions, using the simplest words that somehow confuse you. Why? Because we use them in phrases, not alone. So here's the method. Just copy and repeat. Hear a sentence, say a sentence. That's simple. Give me 30 days, and I promise you'll speak about your life naturally. No more translating in your head, no more searching for words, just natural English flowing out. Are you ready to commit to these 30 days with me? Let's start shadowing. When was the last time you avoided an English phone call? You see an unknown number, heart racing, and you let it ring until it stops. Or someone says, "Can you call and ask about this for me?" And you find every excuse to avoid it. Today, that fear ends. Day 3 starts right now. Phone call. Follow me closely. 1. Hello, this is Isel speaking. 2. How can I help you today? 3. May I ask who's calling? 4. One moment, please. Let me check. 5. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? 6. Could you speak a little slower, please? 7. Let me write that down for you. 8. Is there anything else I can help you with? 9. Thank you so much for calling. 10. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Perfect. 10 golden sentences for every call. Notice each sentence is polite, professional, and natural. This is exactly how native speakers talk every day. That phrase you just repeated, that's exactly how I talk to my friends and colleagues. You're already sounding more natural. Now, let's put them into action. Now we'll practice a real phone call. I'll speak slowly and clearly, and you repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Story: Alex books a dental appointment. All 10 sentences will appear naturally in this conversation. Watch how they flow. I'll play the receptionist first. You repeat after me. Good morning, Smile Dental Clinic. This is Isel speaking. How can I help you today? Now I'll be Alex as the caller. You repeat after me. Hello, I'd like to make a dental appointment, please. It's for a teeth cleaning. Of course. May I ask who's calling? This is Alex Chen. Thank you, Alex. One moment, please. Let me check our schedule. We have Tuesday at 3 p.m. or Friday at 10 a.m. available. Friday at 10 a.m. works perfectly. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Friday, March 22nd at 10 a.m. for teeth cleaning. Can I get your phone number? Sure. It's 555-0198. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? The line is a bit unclear. Of course, 555-0198. Perfect, got it. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Excellent. You just practiced a complete phone call. Did you notice? All 10 essential sentences appeared naturally in this conversation. This is how real conversations flow, not forced, not artificial, natural and professional. See how smoothly you handled that? You just completed a professional phone call. That confidence you're feeling, hold on to it. Was that speed okay for you? Comment 1 if it felt too fast. Comment 2 if it was too slow. Comment okay if the speed was just right. I ask because I want to tune the pace to help you practice better in the next video. Now we'll practice 2 rounds. Every conversation needs 2 people. We'll switch roles so you experience both perspectives. This is crucial. Understanding both sides of a conversation leads to better communication skills. Pause after each response. Actually practice out loud. Don't just watch, do it.
You are the caller. I am the receptionist. I'll pause for you to respond. Scenario: booking doctor appointment. Are you ready? Let's go. Good morning, Downtown Medical Center. This is Isel speaking. How can I help you today? Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Kim, please. Of course. May I ask who's calling? This is your name. Thank you. One moment, please. Let me check Dr. Kim's schedule. What type of appointment do you need? I need a general checkup. Perfect. We have Monday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 11 a.m. Which works better? Monday at 2 p.m. sounds great. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. You too. Goodbye. Now, completely switch roles. You are the receptionist. I'll be calling in. Let's get started. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Kim, please. This is Isel. Thank you. One moment, please. Let me check Dr. Kim's schedule. What type of appointment do you need? I need a general checkup. Perfect. We have Monday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 11 a.m. Which works better? Monday at 2 p.m. sounds great. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. You too. Goodbye. Amazing! You just completed conversations as both caller and receptionist. That's advanced level confidence. Feel that transformation happening? This is the second step of your transformation. Let's lock in your missions for today. Mission 1. Master the 10 sentences. Practice 5 times during the day, morning, lunch, afternoon, evening, before bed. Mission 2. Shadow mastery. Repeat the entire story until you speak as smoothly as me. Mission 3. Dialogue confidence. Practice 2 full rounds. Record yourself and listen back. Mission 4. Pronunciation check. It's focused on clear consonants. It's not about your accent, it's about being understandable.
Understood. Don't overthink it. Just use your 10 sentences. They work every single time. Here are some real fears I've helped students with. They speak too fast? I'll give you slow down phrases. I don't understand their accent? I'll share clarification phrases. I freeze up completely. I'll send confidence-building openers. Tag someone who needs English confidence. Help them start this journey too. Listen to me carefully. Today, you might still feel nervous on the phone, still translating in your head, still doubting your pronunciation. But I can see your future because I've witnessed this transformation thousands of times. This isn't just an English course. This is a personality transformation from someone who avoids English situations to someone who embraces them. From I can't to I got this. From fear to confidence. From hiding to shining. The science behind it. Every time you use these phrases correctly, your brain builds new neural pathways. By day 30, these patterns become automatic. You're not just learning English, you're rewiring your confidence. Remember this, English opportunities won't wait. Your dream job, your relationships, your adventures, they're all waiting for the confident version of you. That version exists. I can see them clearly. The question is, are you ready to meet them? Will you trust me for 30 days? If you're ready, comment now. Izel, I'm ready for 30 days. Let's do this. If you're scared, comment, I'm nervous, but I'll try. Either way, I'll support you personally. See you tomorrow for a brand new day of English transformation.